All right, on the water, and you probably can't see shit. Making a run over to the dam. Let's see how many people are over there, and try and get an early start on things. Line's in 5:30. It'll probably take me right up to around there, traveling at 3.5 miles per hour. So my plan for the day is to start off by the dam, fishing some rock walls and maybe a pocket or two. Looks like there might be a boat over there. Well, kayak. And we'll see. I want to throw the big swim bait, so I don't know if I'll use that as a search bait or just use it as actually cast the fish. So what I have rigged on is a Wacky rig, weightless. I have a Kitech swim bait with, I think it's the first gen jig head. I have a finesse green pumpkin jig with a flapping hog skirt. All right, then I have a, is it a flapping hog? No, it's Bait Chuckin's custom bug on a wobble head, and I have a drop shot on as well too. So we'll see how it goes. Weather-wise, it's supposed to be pretty nice till maybe in the afternoon. The breeze should get up, I guess, to around 8 knots or so, which, you know, 10 to 12 miles per hour. And if it looks like it's gonna start getting pretty windy, I'll cross over to the other side. So let's see how things are going. Jeeves, come on. They can't get bit on nothing. Stay on, buddy. Stay on. Stay on. Thanks a lot for playing. Thanks a lot for playing. Come on. Come on, buddy. All right, the day's winding down. It is 1:07. Line's out at 2. I think we actually got to be back at the dock at 2:30, if I recall correctly. So I'm gonna go over by the launch ramp and see if I can't catch my last fish. But I don't have a whole lot of optimism, but that's all right. That's what life's about, is surprising yourself. So keep your fingers crossed, and maybe you'll see the fifth fish. The fifth fish. Say that fast. Go with what brought me to the dance. Yes, yes, yes. Stay on, stay on, stay on. All right, that's gonna be it. Keith, free spooling, caught 5 fish. Tournament ended at 2. I think I got 72 inches and probably pubic hair. So we'll see what that turns out. I'm just hoping it's better than 31st, which is what I got last time when I caught 5 fish with 77.5. So if the fishing was really crappy today, maybe I'll do all right. So thanks for coming along. If you like anything in this content, check this stuff out right here.